declaring Faulkner County a disaster area, meeting
about a 2,000 square foot house. That's what I have left.
God just took care of them.
Our Kansans are resilient.
We just had a chance to tour some of the areas that were devastated by last week's tornadoes. Folks here are tough. They look out for one another, and that's been especially clear over the past week. When something like this happens to a wonderful community like this one, it happens to all of us. This is a testament to the strength of this community, the strength of Arkansas, and the strength of America. As one resident said, we just say a prayer and then get to work.
Right now, we're trying to get the school opened up.
All this stuff can be replaced.
It could be worse. We give people some hope.